Hi, I'm Wilma Haerkens. I'm your makeover specialist. Are you tired of seeing your boots looking like this when you really want them looking like this, but you don't want to spend an arm and a leg? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. It will only cost you $1 or $2. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. So they work great, but they can get a little expensive if you have a boot fetish. So the perfect solution is to go to your dollar store and pick up a few of these pool noodles, and your solution is $1 or $2. So take your boot, put in your pool noodle, grab a pen, and just give it a little stroke. And then all you need is a knife or X-Acto knife, and you're good to go. Once you've cut the first one, just line them up and mark your second one and give that a cut too. For me, I found a sharp knife works best, but you can use whatever works best for you. Just be careful, please. Now, these can be very inexpensive as well. I just didn't find that they work as well on their own, but they actually work quite well with the noodle. So you may want to use both. I'll put a link there for you so that you can pick those up through Amazon. They're relatively inexpensive. So there you go. Some quick, easy solutions, inexpensive. It's going to make your closet look so much better. And your boots are actually going to look a lot better for a lot longer too. So if you enjoyed this video and you like the tips that you received, please give me the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I found a